Good day everyone, I'm Jason and welcome back to Jason's Transport Vlogs. I'm currently at Erskineville station, just gonna film some trains here for you guys. More in a sec. That was B26. So yeah, as I was saying, oh my god, we got another Tangara. About to pass through platform number 4. T37, T36. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Hopefully now there's no disruptions. I am going to film some trains here for you guys in the afternoon peak. By the way, this video was actually suggested by you guys. You guys. I'm pointing to you. This video was actually suggested by you guys. Well, some of you guys anyway. So I put a poll out a month or two ago, and I asked you guys, would you rather see a train spotting video in St. Peters or Erskineville? And 80% of you picked Erskineville. So that is what I am going to do today, because you guys technically requested Erskineville station train spotting. I'm here in the afternoon peak. Gonna be able to film some T8 trains, passing T4 tank hours, and maybe a few Oscars as well. But yes, anyways, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Oh, we got an Oscar and an Explorer passing. That is 2503 leading a service from Canberra. Get this Tangara to honk. Alright, it honked better than nothing. That was probably the softest honk I've ever heard.
The next train to arrive on platform 3 does not stop at this platform.
T105 and T107. Oh, we have the Duck Gara T35. T35 and T19. Oh, we got Tangara passing. I'm gonna get it to honk if I can. Honk, 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 honk. No! Such a pity this Tangara did not honk. If another one comes, I'll try again.
The next train to arrive on platform 3 does not stop.
Oh, here it
at
is.
this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line.
Let's try again. It worked! T5 and T53. Tangara coming, but some people are starting to build on the platform. So I'm not gonna get this one to honk. T23 and T33. And T73. T52. For some reason, the platform 5 and 6 Tangaras always pass through together. Alright, got an Oscar.